We'll talk about Qml Inheritance, overriding methods, extending base class. So 3 topics we talk: how to inherit a class in Qml, how to override methods, and how to extend base class. Okay, so we'll search for a simple class called rectangle. Okay, rectangle is a simple class. Rectangle derives from item, so it extends item and it has these many properties. If you go to item, it instantiate quick item and then it provides lot of properties. It has lot of methods. Okay, so many. We'll go to quick item. Quick item, it has lot of signals though. Okay, so since it instantiate quick item, so signals would work. Okay, so scenario is like this. There is a class called quick item, that is Qt class. There is a class called item, and then there is a class called rectangle. Okay, rectangle derives from item, whereas item is just an instantiation Okay, so item is just an instantiation. So it's just an instantiation of quick item, and rectangle derives from item. Okay, so now our job is to extend from rectangle. How we can extend from rectangle? And we would add, so we will have another class called monkey rectangle. So monkey rectangle derives from rectangle, and we'll see that how it would override its functions, and then how it can extend it. So first we will see inheritance. So there is a file called monkey rectangle. Okay, so rectangle is a class here. So I would just close it. I'll say monkey rectangle. Yeah. Now it is seen that monkey rectangle contains. So in QML, if you have a class, if you have a file, this is a component. This is a component. So monkey rectangle is a component that contains rectangle. Then it should be considered as monkey rectangle is a class that derives from rectangle. So this is funny way. This is a QML way of derivation. So if you do this, then monkey rectangle okay. So monkey rectangle derives from rectangle. So this is the semantic of monkey rectangle deriving from the rectangle. Okay. So now I can use this as if, so I have a main.qml. Now I can say monkey rectangle. So monkey rectangle derives from rectangle. So we are overriding width and height. You can see now. Okay. So we are overriding width and height here. Okay, so monkey rectangle is a ready-made rectangle now. A monkey rectangle is a ready-made class that derives from a rectangle. You can override here also. So now we will talk about overriding. Whatever is available in base class, we are trying to override it. Okay, so let's see what is available in base class. So there are signals called width change, there is signal called height change, focus change, enable change. So you can override in many ways, like you can say on height change. So you are overriding on height change slot. Okay, so here you can place your code. Okay, or you can flip the color. That is, I think, a better way. So you can say property color bool true. color is equal to green, that is the initial color. If you change the height, it will change the color. So you can say color bool color equal to red, else color equal to green. Okay. On height change, color bool so we height change is a slot, we are overriding here height change. Okay. You can see color is changing. If we increase the height, decrease the height, okay, you can see. So whatever the default property of on height change was there in the parent class, we modified it now. So this is overriding. Okay, you can modify in other ways also. Like we'll call constructor now. So component dot on completed. This is a kind of constructor in QML. So here we can connect height change dot connect. You can say my height function. Okay, you can declare my height function here. Function my height function. Okay, so here you can do same thing. So we don't want this now. Okay, so if height change signal comes, it will call my height function that you have to declare here, and then my height will change it. So we'll change the height again. Okay, same behavior. So this is the way you can override it. Whatever the default behavior is, actually you are changing it. Okay, so how you can extend? Very simple. If you want to extend it, you can add your functions here. My function 1, you can put behavior here. Function my function 2, you can put it. Okay, so this way we are extending the class. So it is a funny way. See, you are writing everything inside rectangle, but if you do this, actually this is a monkey rectangle. If you write like this, actually it is a monkey rectangle, but this is the grammar. Okay, this way you can extend. Okay, so now in main dot, so the classic of QML is every component behave, you can execute every component separately. So you can test every component separately. Now if you go to main.qml, if you write monkey rectangle width 22 and 20 and 300, here also you can extend. Okay, so So you can extend inside monkey rectangle.qml also. You can extend here. Both are exactly same thing, no difference. Only difference is if you modify inside monkey rectangle, that would go everywhere. So you have to put very generic code because you are making reusable components. Here you can do whatever is suitable inside this component file. Okay. So this way you can differentiate what you need to put in monkey rectangle.qml and what you need to put in main.qml and other places. It should be very small. Monkey.rectangle should be very small. Only those behaviors that you think that should be reused at every place. Don't put anything that is custom. Okay, same thing. Okay, so quick item instantiated by item derived by rectangle derived by monkey rectangle. Here we did, so we covered inheritance, we covered overriding, we covered extending.